This is an expense tracker website built using MERN stack. In database, I've used MongoDB, NoSQL database, and in backend, I've used Node.js and Express.js and JavaScript framework, and in frontend, I've used React.js. And this is a home page which shows the total expenses and total income of a user. Mainly, this website is used to handle personal expenses and also shared expenses between users, multiple users. And this is the home page of the website, which shows total expense and total income, which a user who has logged in to the website. This is the profile section, which shows the username of the logged in user, and this is the income page. Here we can add an income, and here it shows the income of the user which he has added. This is the personal incomes, and we can delete and edit the income, such as we can add it like this. Here date is automatically stored. If not entered, it is stored today's date. So here we can add it automatically, and here it will show up the latest incomes, 10,000, today's date, and we can easily delete it or edit it using this button. And there is an expense page where we can add any personal expense such as laptop, and here it is showing the latest expenses of the user. Here we can delete it easily, and we can also edit it. Here is the groups page where multiple groups are created, and we can easily edit any group. This group will be used later in the website for shared expenses. Here members are added using this drop down. These members are in this group, and we can add any new member using this add button, and we can easily remove it if we don't want it. So these are the groups. These groups will be used in this shared expense page, where we can add any shared expense, such as a group of friends went to a restaurant for a dinner, or any other expenses, or any other trip, any type of expense. So we can here add the expense. We can select a group, such as group 1 have went for, here group 1 have Ahmad, Iqbal, Navid, Demo and Yasin have went for any trip, and we can add a group 1. Here we can add select a user who has paid. We can add a user who has paid, maybe me, which is a logged in user, Ahmad has paid, and we can write here a description. We have went to a mall. Amount paid by Ahmad is maybe 5,000, and we will add, when we will add, it will show here, and we can easily click and see the description, mall, amount, date, paid by Ahmad, group name, and members. Since there are 4 members in the group, so each member expense will be 1250. So each member's expense will be 1250, but I have paid 5,000, so it will be credited. 5,000 minus 1250 will be added in my expense, in my income page here, 3750, which is 5,000 minus 1250 is 3,750, will be added in my income here. So if I delete it, and other users will, Iqbal, Navid and Demo and Yasin, since they have not paid any money, so it will be added in their expense section, expense page, that they have to pay 1250 for the description mall. So here I can easily delete it. If everyone has paid, I can delete it. It will automatically get deleted in my income page also. So this was a dynamic handling of this shared expense. There's a shares page, such as we have gone on a trip and the total amount we have spent is 10,000, but not only one person has all the 10,000 amount to pay. So here what we are doing is only one user is paying all the money, but maybe not one user or not one friend has all the 10,000 cash. So maybe he has maybe 3% have went. Maybe Ahmad is paid 2,000. Singh has only 2,000. Yasin has paid 3,000. Nawaz has paid the rest 5,000. Total expenses may be different. Some have bought different things. Some have eaten different things. So maybe the expenses in the trip was different. Ahmad paid 2,000, but he has spent 5,000. So it will be calculated, and we can easily add this description amount, and we can add the payment. We can select a user from the multiple user amount. We can payment details and expense details. We can here add it, and we can easily calculate it using this settle button. If we click on it, it will calculate and give that which the current logged in user, which is Ahmad, is in 3,000 in loss. He has to pay 3,000 to his friends. Since he has spent 5,000 and he has paid only 2,000 there in the trip, so he has to pay 3,000 back to his friends. So this was a project to manage the expense details of a user. It also follows authentication, which is used using JWT tokens, and also bcrypt is used for storing password in hash format, and it follows the login logout easily.